That's a little tip. The second one is a massive one, Daz. So rubbish and overgrown grass is getting, when you settle on your block, you need to put in your contract that whoever owns that block, the vendor, agrees that it will be clean and it will be clear of
Yeah.
any rubbish or any overgrown grass. So overgrown grass is one that people tend to ignore. So make sure that that is part of your contract. And then the other one here, this is just one of very many that happen. You could buy a block like this, and this is super common in Victoria, in the metro regions, where you just got a whole bunch of stuff. So when you sign that land contract, your conveyancer's responsibility is to protect you and be your legal representative of your land contract. So two of the points that you should ask them to put in: pegs, make sure they're in, and rubbish or overgrown grass, make sure it's all clean and clear. This is a 5 to 8 grand clean up. To do it properly, clean it all up and scrape the site ready for construction, it'll cost you that
For
much.
sure.
So it's certainly one you ought to be mindful of. So it's a good tip we can share.